Hello everyone, as you can see that I have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3 in my hand. It's kind of very dirty, like with my fingerprints. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna turn it on, and I just turned it on, and I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna tell you how you can set up your brand new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3. So once you will turn it on, it will bring you to the welcome screen, and you can hit the tap on start button, and tap on agree to all options. Then gonna tap here. After that, you tap one more time over here. It's going to ask you to enter the Wi-Fi password, and I'm going to just connect it over there. So I just entered the Wi-Fi password. Is gonna check the updates. It's gonna getting your phone ready. It's gonna ask a couple of more steps to do, and once we'll be done with that, it's gonna take us to the home screen, and that's all you need to do. And I'm gonna show you everything step by step. So let's just wait until it will take me to the next step. Alright, so this is copy data, apps and data. If you have your old phone with you, if you want to do that, you can tap on next. I don't have anyone. I'm just gonna tap on don't copy. It's asking me to enter the Gmail account credentials, which I don't want to for now. If you have your Gmail account, go ahead and enter the user email address and then the password. So then later on you don't have to do that again. So then for now, I'm just skipping it. Skip, more, accept. So here it is again, like face recognition. If you want to set up your face recognition, it's going to take you to set up your face recognition, which I don't want to right now. But to set up a face recognition, you have to one of this secure screen lock, like a pattern, pin, or password. And this is the same thing. It's going to ask you for the fingerprint too. To set up the fingerprint, it's going to ask you to set a pattern, pin, or password. For the pattern, we can just set up a pattern, pin. It's not, these three things are not depend on any other things like face recognition and fingerprints. For now, I'm just skipping it. It's your choice. You can set it up as you want it. After getting this, it's going to ask me for a Samsung account, which I don't have neither. And for that, I'm gonna skip it again. And here you go. It's asking me to enter the Samsung account. I'm skipping it for now. If you have it, you can enter it if you really want to download and install anything from Samsung store. So accept and finish. Next, and you're all set up. Finish, and here you go. You are on the home screen of Samsung Galaxy Z Fold3. So that's all you need to set up your new phone. You're sign in. I'm not gonna sign in anywhere, so it's pretty fast phone, and I like the dual screen, and it's really nice. So that's all you need to set up your new phone. And if you like the video, press the like button, and subscribe my channel for more videos, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notification of my new video. Alright, that's it for the day. Have a good one, and be safe. Bye bye.